Birds just sitting here. You birds just sitting here waiting on food and stuff. So what are you doing? They stop, man. Them birds don't come in the window.
They're waiting in the tree.
Yeah.
Oh.
They fight to get that piece of food.
And they're coming too.
Oh! Oh, they got the whole pack.
Whole wolf pack on your ass. They going to school. That's what you call. It's time for school. There's a flock of birds. There's a school of birds.
Oh, so this
Their
is
recess is over. And look, all the white ones over here, all the black ones over there. You see that?
They lunchtime is over with.
Do you see that? All the black ones, they segregated. All the white ones over here and all the black ones over there. You see that? Look up there. All the black ones.
I know, I see.
Yeah. Before they left, one pooped on the ground right there.